Tirin na natin, Grace.
Shimanet.
Oh, this is my mother's ring. It's a gift.
Yung ring.
It has her name. Gift lang po. But it has her name on it. Not a wife yet. Thankfully.
Gray, do you feel ba parang validated yung reason na bumalik ka sa Pilipinas to do this? Kasi parang you were thinking hindi ka na babalik eh, di ba? Sa US ka na.
I think, honestly po, 100% po kasi I think the timing was just right talaga po. Kakatapos ko lang po ng first year ko of acting school. I was in summer vacation. I got contacted by Miss Kylie of Dreamscape before we had the talks and the pitch about the project with Ate Carlina of Dreamscape. And so my first concern was I had to ask school muna because I was, again, set and bound to do the second year just to finish out the course. And in the States naman po talaga, there's no, there's either you're there or you're not, so it's a yes or no, there's nothing in between. You have to really be definite in the States. So I asked them, would it be okay if I deferred for a year? They said yes, thankfully. And again, the timing's just right na nagawa ko po ito. And I really specifically went back to the Pamilya Sagrada. Again, the public sphere of the show talaga sobrang impactful. Ang daming na-apektuhan po talaga in good and bad ways talaga. In the sense na napapakita po namin yung katotohanan sa ating lipunan, ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas po, sa ating society talaga. So, ang daming nagpa-praise po sa story talaga. So, that's my number one that I'm grateful for is ang dami po namin na-touch ng mga tao po.
But Gray,